y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. Say hi, Miss Cali Cat. Say hi. You're a good girl. So, I've been doing some shopping, you know, just normal Amazon shopping. Y'all, I wanted to dress up a little bit for Halloween, but I couldn't decide what I wanted to do. And so, I decided I would just dress up for a few different videos, and I needed some stuff to do that with. So that's what this is, and we're gonna look through it right now. And I would go on Amazon so I could, is my hair falling down? Who cares? I would go through Amazon and tell you what all the prices were, but my laptop's battery just died and I had to plug it in over there. So we're just gonna look at this stuff and hopefully there's a price sheet in there. Let's see. If not, I will go through later and I'll have, you know, it'll pop up like right there, just a little price. It tells you what it is or how much it is, because yeah, it doesn't look like there's a price sheet in here. And I really hope this stuff isn't too, you know, cheap looking. Let's put it like that. So I decided the best way for me to go would be like headbands and t-shirts, you know, because you're only going to see me from here up. And I didn't want to pay a fortune, even though I did. This is not everything I bought, y'all. There's some stuff coming from Walmart too. This is just some stuff from Amazon, and it's probably not even all here yet. So we'll look at those in a second. I'm going to pull the rest of this stuff out. I haven't looked at it yet because I wanted to look at it with y'all. Couple of t-shirts. Oh, that one does have a price sheet. Nice. And here's the last one. Oh, that's heavy. What is that? I don't even, okay. Yeah, so this stuff here is actually part of a different haul that I forgot about. This is my blazer haul. And so I'm going to put that back in there and we're just going to look at the Halloween stuff for this episode. And we'll look at the blazers later. Because I'm in the mood to do Halloween stuff. This was a set of cute little headbands. And I was like, okay, a set of 6. I'll dress them up with different t-shirts. I'll have, you know, different days. And I bet you I'm going to. So look, they're just cute little hats. Little Halloween hats on headbands. And I just thought, well, that'll be cute. Am I ridiculous? Y'all, I thought it would be a little more off to the side and be a little more cute and cocky, but so ghost in a pink, very cute. Then we have the red with the spider and a feather. Yes, this is a ridiculous way to do Halloween, but hey, I was just feeling goofy, okay? I do that some days. So this one is a little smushed, but it has a silver spider on there. And look, it's purple, y'all. Come on. It's purple. They're ridiculously small on me. So this one is tan, but it's got purple webbing with the spiders. Very cute. Oh, that's going to be annoying. Oh, me. I thought this guy was funny. Yeah, I feel ridiculous. Okay, and this is the last one. This one has lips on it, y'all. Red lips. Is that not too cute? And then there's a little bat. And then you've got these little guys that you can put whichever way you want to. They're kind of out of that pipe cleaning cord. Oh, my hair is messed up. I can tell now. So, super cute, super fun. You know, Halloween is supposed to be cute and fun. So, that's 6 different days of recording I can do here with different outfits. So this is one of the t-shirts I thought I'll just grab and wear. It is really cheap feeling, y'all. I had another one like this. I just felt like it was so cheap I ended up sending it back. But look at it. It's got the Sanderson sisters on it. I put a spell on you. So hopefully it'll at least last me this Halloween. But very cute little tank top. It's just these thin little sleeves that feel like they'd stretch out like crazy. But I'd probably wear a black little cami or something underneath it anyway, just in case it did stretch out too much. But super cute. Sanderson sisters. It does not tell me how much it was. This one was from Walmart. Okay, yeah, this was actually from Walmart. This was from Walmart. This was from Walmart. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I know I'm probably confusing y'all. Why has it got these stickers on it? I can't even tell what's on there. This is clearly not right. I mean, can y'all tell what's on there? It is from the Hocus Pocus. I don't know what it's even supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be a cat, honestly. See, I think it was supposed to be more like that with the moon and the stuff in the back, but that's not, clearly not what this is. I'm gonna have to talk to Walmart about that because that's a little weird on my hair. Okay, moving on. I got from Torrid the other day a Blondie shirt, and it just looked to me very 80s. It was black off the shoulder, even though it had Blondie on it, who was not an 80s person. I do not believe. I think she was 70s, wasn't she? I don't know. But anyway, this is supposed to be like an 80s type of thing. It's got the headband like we wore in the 80s, and it has cross earrings, a cross necklace. What are these? These are jelly bands. I think that's what it is. Those bands that go. Let me see if I can get them off. Bracelets, and then this is. I thought it was supposed to be. Oh, there it is. Here we go. This is very Madonna, y'all. So I just thought that would be a cute outfit. Why, I don't know, because I'm weird. But that's gonna be one of them. I think I look cute in this headband. Should we bring these back? I have to be careful because Bonnie thinks these are great toys. Any kind of rubbery, circly thing. And I actually bought her some thick ones that she can play with. And I just kind of keep an eye and make sure she doesn't chew on them or anything. She just flops them around and meows with them. She loves them. So, yeah. Useless knowledge about my cats. I thought I would try some fairy makeup. And I thought, well, I need something to go with a fairy outfit. And so I bought this headband. I thought it would be very cute and fairy. I may have to put some safety pins in there to keep it where I want it. It's not really supposed to go right there. But if I did, I could wear it hippie. But I have that. This thing does not hold my hair in there at all. Okay, moving on. Yeah, that's why I had it put up. Oh my goodness. This is the last thing. Now, here we go. Let me see if I can get it on. I thought this would be cute with a butterfly makeup. I thought I'd try to do like some kind of butterfly look for y'all with this on. What do you think? It's kind of ridiculous, I know, but yeah, I'm ridiculous. What can I say? At least got my hair out of the way, right? I could put it up in a floof or something. Push the butterflies forward. I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, for bearing with me while I'm being silly, goofy, crazy me. I really appreciate it. I don't know why it just flopped in my head to try to put all them little witch hats on at the same time. Yeah, no, okay. Now my camera is dying. So y'all, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, press the notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.